Hey credit cousins, today we have a $2,500 grant available for startup businesses. One of our credit cousins wanted to know if there were any grants for a startup business. So this is what really brought this video about, and we do have one. So keep watching to learn more and how you can get a piece of the pie. So are you an aspiring entrepreneur looking to start or grow your business? Well, this grant is for you. InkFile is introducing the Fresh Start Business Grant, and it's offering $2,500 to individuals who are starting over or starting from scratch with their businesses. There will be one winner, and the following prizes will be awarded to the winner of the Fresh Start Business Grant. The winning recipient will receive the following: InkFile's Gold Plan for free, including incorporation services in your state, free registered agent services for a year, and a free tax consultation. So if you need help setting up that LLC, S Corp, or whatever business, you can have one set up with InkFile for free for 1 year. And you also get a $2,500 to put towards business startup costs. In order to qualify for this $2,500 award, you must meet the following. You must be 21 years or older, you must be a U.S. resident, and you must be planning to start a new business or grow an existing business in a significant way. The application deadline for this grant is June 30th, 2022. If you happen to miss this deadline, the next deadline is September 30th and December 31st. So make sure you mark your calendars. So let's go over how to apply for this grant. First, you will need to complete an online application. Then you will need to create a short 2-minute video telling them how entrepreneurship will impact your life. And lastly, submit a sample business plan. So let's go over the entire application. So keep watching. I'm going to dig right in what you need to answer, what you need to do, and the last bit of your application so you can get this submitted. So the first part of this application, you will fill out the basic information about yourself and then answer the following questions that do showcase your entrepreneurial journey. Question 1, what inspired you to become an entrepreneur? This is where you should mention how did you get started and what keeps you going as an entrepreneur, and explain how you would like to solve problems or make individuals happy or help people. Question 2, what do you think is a difference between a business that succeeds and a business that fails? This is where you want to mention an example of when you wanted to quit or a time when you did quit and what was the outcome of both. Question 3, what are you doing now to prepare yourself to become a successful business owner? This is where you want to mention about any business plans, marketing plans. You want to mention where do you see yourself in your business with 1 year mark, a 3-year mark, and even a 5-year mark, and what are your goals for those particular years, and how you are educating yourself in your business industry or as an entrepreneur, and how you are applying yourself to that part. The second part of this application is requesting to create a sample business plan and uploading it. It also has a guide on giving you tips on how to create a business plan before submitting one. So I highly encourage taking a look at that article. The third part of this application is requesting to share how entrepreneurship will impact your life, or if you have already launched your business, tell them how your life has changed since starting your business. If you decide to make a video and you have it on YouTube, Vimeo, Instagram, or TikTok, you can share the link to that video on the application, but it must be Vimeo, Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube only, or you can just upload it from your computer. And that's it. You hit submit and you wait for the decision to be made to see if you're that lucky winner to win $2,500. Now, there is no information on the website for when the winners will be announced, but if you do have any questions on the grant, you can always email them at grant@inkfile.com. I didn't get a chance to email them to ask that question because I wanted to really put out this video so that you guys can get a head start on this application because we only have 10 days. If you like these type of videos, please leave a thumbs up, guys. I hope this video was helpful for you all. Let me know in the comment section if this grant is even worth your time and if you would check this one out. Make sure to check out the Credit Cousin Club private group where we share our credit tips and tricks and data points on credit card approvals, loan approvals, and so much more. So make sure to click the link in the pinned comments and video description below to join. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Let's get it.